it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to your feedback. It really does mean a lot to me that you watch and give me your feedback. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I have a box today called Wantable, and this is a box that is new to me. And I wasn't really gonna do Wantable at first. I've seen some other ladies do their unboxings, and they kind of seemed a little bit pricey. They got great items, but the price range was just a little bit high. However, last weekend, no, the weekend before was Labor Day weekend. Well, I don't know what it was, but whatever weekend Labor Day weekend was, I saw or heard somewhere that Wantable was doing a special where if you signed up, you got an additional $25 to use towards anything you kept. So I did pay a $20 styling fee. I filled out a style profile. They sent me a box, and I believe that I get that $25 to use towards anything that I keep in this box. So I'm pretty excited. I thought, why not try it with that extra $25? So I will have $45 to put towards this box if there's anything that I like. So it's similar to the other styling services. I did cut the box open because, as we all know, if you've seen me before, I struggle with opening boxes. So I decided to save us all the trouble and of watching me open up the box. So the first thing that came in my box was this little flyer. I don't know if it's a flyer, but some type of information sheet on Wantable, kind of welcoming me to Wantable. And on the back tells me what's next: to explore, exchange, check out, and review, and then return. So it nicely lays out the steps in case you forget what to do or don't know what to do. Also, I don't know what this is my note from my stylist, and it looks like these are the items that they sent me with the prices. So I'll look at that after. And the next thing that was in my box was the return mailer. So looks like Wantable uses USPS like some of the other styling services out there, so it's very convenient. Anything that I don't want or don't decide to keep, I just throw in this bag and drop it off at the post office on my way to work. Super, super easy. Love, love, love the convenience of this service. So I'm gonna get into my items really quickly, because I'm super excited to see what's in my box. So the first thing after I opened the tissue paper was this bag. This looks like it's Sandra Roberts Squared, the brand. And hang on, I don't have my glasses, so I might not be able to see it. The print is so tiny. Peyton Pebbled Wristlet Crossbody Navy, and it's $48. So I do like crossbodies for shopping, for vacations, for a bunch of different situations, but I do like to have pockets in my crossbodies, and I like space, which this does have some compartments. In the zipper, it looks like it has 3. So here's the first one in the back. Then there's this one on the other side, and then it looks like there's a smaller one in the middle here. So it does look like it's pretty cute. I do like the color. However, I don't like that there's no pockets inside. I do like to have that feature in my crossbodies because I want somewhere to put my phone and other things like that. So I don't know, but I'll try it on with one of the outfits. Next, I have, looks like a white t-shirt by Z Supply. And this is a V-neck tee in white, and it's $34. So I do like a good white t-shirt. It looks like a pretty good length. Looks like it might be a little small for me, but I don't know. You never know till you try it on. So that's the t-shirt. $34 is kind of a lot for a basic t-shirt, but we'll see. Next, I have, bear with me, I'm sorry, the Lay-Lise. This is the mixed print raglan top in black, and it's $48. So the front, I'll show you, has the floral print in the middle, and the sleeves are striped. I don't own anything like this, and I don't think I would have picked anything like this off the rack. So that's kind of nice that I get to try it on because it's something that I normally wouldn't have. And then the back is stripes. Oh, and I missed this little feature where it has a pocket in the front. So that's cute. Next, I have, this is by, it looks like just the Wantable brand. Oh, it's so tiny. Lace front 3/4 sleeve top in navy, and this is $69. So it's very pretty. The top, you can see, has lace here, and you can probably see through the front that it has that keyhole detail in the back, which I really like that little keyhole detail. And the only thing with this shirt is it looks like it's a little bit short for my liking. As you might know, I do like my shirts to be a little bit longer. I didn't specify that in my style profile though, so that's my fault. I should have specified that. These stylists probably can't guess everybody's likes and dislikes right off the bat, so I can't blame that on anybody. Next I have, this is by the WANTABLE brand. This doesn't look like it has a price tag on it or anything to describe more of what it is, but it looks like a raglan, no, I'm sorry, a dolman sleeve top. And it's just black, good length. So again, I don't have a tag on this, so I'll have to look at my pricing sheet after to let you know the price. Do like black for fall and winter, and it's great. I like the dolman sleeves, so I'm excited to try this on, and it feels really, really soft. Next, I have a pair of jeans. These are, the Vigos jeans, and they're medium wash. And, I can't say that. Jagger Classic Fit Skinny and medium wash, $78. So I have a lot of denim in my closet right now from my styling boxes, but I've never owned better denim in my life. So I'm very open to trying these because they feel great, they look great. I don't know if I have this wash or not in jeans, so I'll have to look through my closet while I'm doing my try-ons and see if I have anything like this. But these look like a pretty good pair of jeans. And then my last item is, a long sweater. This looks so comfy. This is by Solutions, and I don't see a style name, I see a number, but the color is Pedal to the Metal. So this is really pretty. I love the color. I love the length. I love big oversized sweaters for fall and winter. This looks like it's great. It's long, so I can pair it with some leggings and maybe some tall boots. Looks like it's got pockets too, and I'm loving the pockets. So, all right, that's my box. I'm excited to try everything on. Does look a little bit pricey, but nothing that I'm like, I absolutely would say, no way, I don't like this. So let's see how everything looks. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I put on the mixed print raglan top in black, and this is $48. This is totally not a Kayla top. This is something that I wouldn't have picked out off of the shelf for myself, but it's super comfortable. It's so soft. I think it fits well. I really don't know on this one. I'm stuck. I think that the mixed print is kind of cute with the stripe on the sleeve here, and I'll turn around so you can see the back is the stripes all over the back. So I'm on the fence with this one because I think it's cute. I put it on with the Vigos jeans, so I'm gonna come forward and I'm gonna lower the camera so you can see my jeans. Whoops, is that gonna be good? Okay, I think you can see my jeans. So I'll kind of lift the shirt up a little bit so you can see them. These are the Vigos jeans. These are, just trying to find the price. I think I said they were $78, but I want to make sure. Where are they? Oh, here they are. The Jagger Classic Fit Skinny and Medium Wash, $78. So I like these. I like the wash with these. I think they fit me well. I will turn around so you can see them. I think they're a good look, but I don't know that I need another color denim. I have one similar to this, and I just bought another pair of denim in one of my other boxes, but I don't know, they're super comfortable. I'm gonna try them on with another shirt and see how they look. I'll be right back. I'll keep them on just to see. I might fall in love with them and I might not want to send them back. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have on the lace front 3/4 sleeve top in navy. It's the WANTABLE brand, and it's $69, so it's a little bit pricey. The fit's a little bit off on this. It's very clingy. It doesn't feel tight because of the material. The tag on the pants is sticking out. But it's clinging in this area that I don't want it to cling in. And I do like the top of I'm gonna move a little bit closer so you can see, but as you can see as I'm moving closer, I had to throw on a cami underneath this because of the cutout here. And I didn't have a navy one, I threw on black, which I don't know if you can really see, but because you have to wear a cami, it's gonna stick out here. So you're gonna be able to see whatever you wear underneath on the top of the shirt, and I'm really not a fan of that. So the length of the shirt is also a little bit short for me, as I mentioned that I thought it would be before. So I don't think I'm going to keep this top. One, because of the sizing. Two, because of anything that you wear underneath will show here, and it's a little bit short. So I'm going to go try on that dolman sleeve top, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I have on the elbow V-neck dolman black top. It's the WANTABLE brand, and it's $52. I know it's a lot for a black top, but I think I fell in love with it already. I love the neckline. I like the dolman sleeves. Very comfortable. I'm gonna back up. I love the length of this top. I've said this so many times. I love longer tops. I think it's a great length. I feel comfortable in it. I also like with this top, because of the neckline, I could really dress it up or down, so I could put a great statement necklace with this piece and dress it up, or I can wear it casually. I love this top. I think I'm gonna keep this top, even though it's $52. I know I might sound crazy for keeping it, but I fell in love with it. I really did. I can't say enough good things about this top. So I have the sweater to try on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have on the Boucle Duster Pocket Cardigan in Pedal to the Metal. It's by Solutions, and it's $78. I'm just gonna move forward and put the price sheet down for a second, but I'm gonna tell you what I love about this cardigan. I love the color. I think it's great. Love, love, love that it has pockets. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just that I like to put my hands in my pockets all the time, and just so comfortable. And I like the length of this cardigan. I'm backing up so you can see that it's a great length, but it's $78. Is it worth it to buy a cardigan like this for $78? I just threw it on with some leggings and a black tank, and I'm just so comfortable. I can just see myself like curling up by a fireplace with a nice glass of wine on a cool fall night or winter night with this on, and being so cozy and so comfortable. But am I crazy to pay $78 for this? I don't know if I can. I know I'm paying $52 for the dolman shirt, but I don't know. This is really, really a nice sweater. So I probably will need some help on this. Can I find a sweater like this somewhere else that's similar and so soft and so comfortable for less money? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you the purse, the crossbody purse, and then I'll make some decisions. So hang tight. Okay, so even though it's really warm in Connecticut, I couldn't take this cardigan off. It's just so cozy and comfortable. I'm gonna think about getting this cardigan. I do have that $45 credit that will go towards anything I purchase, so that might help me make the decision. Anyway, let's review my items. The crossbody bag, I don't think I'm going to keep. I didn't even take the plastic off of the, what do you call these? Why can't I think of the name? The straps. Oh my goodness. So sorry. So I didn't take it off because I don't think it's a bag that is for me, only because, like I said before, there's no pockets. So maybe if I had pockets, I'd keep it, because I do love the color. I don't have a navy crossbody bag, and I do love the design. I like the zip front here because I don't like them to be open, and I don't really like those fold over ones either. So this might have been a keeper if it had pockets in the bag. So I didn't take that off for that reason. The white t-shirt I tried on, but it was so see-through, and even with a white cami underneath, it was still super see-through. So I didn't really want to show you, and I don't really feel like I want to pay, what was it, $34? Yeah, $34 for a v-neck tee that is super see-through that I probably wouldn't wear anyway, other than banging around the house or something like that, which I'd rather find one somewhere else that costs less. So that's why you didn't see that one either. Okay, now the items I tried on. The mixed, I think they called this, what, the mixed pattern, mixed print raglan top. I need your help on this one because this is not a typical Kayla shirt. This is something that I wouldn't have picked off of the rack for myself. So I'm gonna go back and look to see how it looked on the video because that often helps me make decisions, but you guys often help me make decisions too. So tell me what you thought about this one and I'll decide on that. This is the lace top, the 3/4 sleeve top in navy. This top I'm sending back because you can see through, unless you guys have any ideas, and I'll see if they have a bigger size, but without wearing a strapless bra, how to hide any straps, which I don't think is possible, that you could see through, because you definitely need to wear a cami with this top because of the, I don't think I showed you like close up, but those stripes down the front of the shirt, there's 3 of them, so you can't get away with not wearing a cami with this one, unfortunately. So I think I'm gonna end up sending that back. And the dolman top, I want this top very badly. You know, it's just a basic black dolman top, but it's so soft, it's so comfortable. I fell in love with it, and I'm gonna keep this top. I really think I am. I know I might be crazy, and you can tell me that I'm crazy for spending, what did I say, $52 on this top, but I don't think I can get myself to send it back. So if any, I might just keep this if I have to just send everything else back. I don't know. Next is the Vigos jeans. I don't know, I kind of liked these jeans too, but I'm also gonna look at the video to see how they look on. They're super comfortable. They fit really well. So let me know what you thought about the jeans as well. And lastly, the sweater. I was gonna call it my sweater already. I don't know, $78? Or what was it, $72? I dropped the price sheet. I don't know, what do you think? Can I find something similar? I don't have patience for that though, and that's why I love these style boxes, because I don't like going to stores and flipping through racks, and I know people in my life that love to do that kind of stuff and they're so good at it, but I'm not good at it and I don't like to do it. So I love the boxes for a reason. So sometimes I'm willing to pay a little bit more, but I don't know, am I thinking too much into this? Is this a reasonable price for a sweater like this? Super, super soft, super comfortable, great length, pockets. This might be a keeper. So I think the black dolman sleeve top and this sweater were my 2 favorites in this box. Let me know if you agree with me or if I'm just crazy for paying that for the sweater and the top. You can tell me that. I'm okay with that. So anyway, that's my box. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I'm not sure if I'll do another Wantable box or not because the items were a little bit pricey, but I do have a Stitch Fix box coming the end of this week and I requested a couple specific things, so I'm really excited to share that box with you all as well. So thanks again for joining me and enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.